$1,000 sitting in your bank account right now is silently making you poorer, and you don't even know it. Most people get extra cash, a bonus, savings, tax refund, and just let it sit there. Or worse, they spend it on things they'll forget about in a week. But that $1,000 could be the difference between staying broke and actually building wealth. Today, I'm going to show you the exact 5 things you should do with that $1,000. And trust me, 90% of people get at least 3 of these wrong. Emergency fund first. Before anything else, ask yourself, do you have 3 months of expenses saved? If not, this $1,000 becomes your safety net, because one emergency without savings and you're back in debt. This isn't exciting, but it's the foundation everything else is built on. Kill high-interest debt. Got a credit card charging you 20% plus interest. That debt is growing faster than almost any investment can. Paying it off with your $1,000 is basically a guaranteed 20% return. No stock market can promise you that. Invest in index funds. If you're debt-free with savings already, this is where it gets interesting. Putting that $1,000 into a simple index fund means your money starts working while you sleep. You don't need to be a stock expert. You just need to start early. Invest in yourself. Here's the one people skip. A course, a certification, a skill that increases your income. This can pay you back for years. Your over $1,000 isn't just money, it's leverage. Start a side income. Use it to build something. A small business, freelancing tools, whatever it is. Because the goal isn't just saving over $1,000, it's turning it into a system that keeps making you money. So let's be real. Which one of these have you actually done? Emergency fund, debt payoff, investing, self-growth, or income? Most people, 0. Here's the truth. It's not about how much money you have. It's about what you do with it. That $1,000 can either disappear in a month or become the start of your financial freezing. If this helped, hit subscribe. Because next week, I'm breaking down the exact investing mistake that's keeping most people broke.